Hi, my name is Hamo Manukian, and we are in the city of La Cañada. We had to replace the roof because we had a tile roof, very fragile. We decided to go with composite shingles. I found Treeium through California Financial. My meeting with Dean was great, and he did a great job. Very prompt. Anytime I called, he just acted very promptly, and he always on top of the job. He's a very professional guy.
Our project, took a little bit more time than expected. We did have a few rains and a few setbacks, but eventually we did manage to finish the project. We got the exterior paint done, we got all the facial boards done, the roofing done, so we're really happy about the end result.
They did come on time, and they did a nice job. Having a new roof, I feel much better. Yeah, I will recommend to friends and families, anybody, if they need to do a job, I will recommend Treeium.